Hi everyone, here we've got LG K22 and let me show you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. Now all we have to do is simply to find the build number, which is right here, so you have to scroll down, and all you have to do right now is keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're a developer. As you can see, now we are in a developer mode, so we can simply go back and find developer options, which should be probably in the system, and after tapping on advanced you can see the developer options. So let's enter. And as you can see here, we've got a lot of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can change the animator duration scale, we can show layout bounds, show pointer location, or show visual feedback for tabs. If you'd like to turn on the feature, just tap on the switcher on it, just like that, and as you can see, it is immediately applied and activated. Of course, if you'd like to turn it off, just go back to the feature and tap on the switcher again. I know that you can see the options without the switcher, for example like here in the window animation scale, but no worries, all you have to do right now is simply tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. Okay, so actually if you are done with customization of developer options, all you have to do right now in order to turn them off is to tap on the switcher right here. As you can see, they are inactive. Let's get back. What's more, they immediately disappears from the system settings. Of course, if you'd like to customize them again, just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your LG K22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.